Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita, your favorite realtor, back with another property. This property is so big and so spacious. I know you guys are going to love it. The builder is actually offering $10,000 to go towards your closing costs, and they have another property that's actually available right now that they're actually offering $25,000 with. So if that's a property that you like, definitely call or text me 407-374-2747. So let's go ahead and check out. This one look like they've used a lot of it, so if you guys see like things here, don't mind it. This is probably the place where they're actually showing you the things you can get, like the different towels and things like that. Their showroom. Let me close this. This is actually their garage. Perfect. And here is their beautiful kitchen. Cover lanai, and look, you guys, you don't have to think about screening it or anything. It's already done. That is really nice. You don't have to worry about bugs coming in. Beautiful backyard. I love it. Okay, well, let's go ahead and check out the owner suite. So this is the owner suite. I love the emerald green. This is the bathroom here. So it comes with a shower. Okay, wet closet. The toilet is inside. That's nice. And here is the beautiful closet. So if you guys love this property, definitely give me a call. Like I said, it's 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to help you with this property. We're in Winter Haven right now, but there's a lot of properties I help with in Florida. And if you guys are anywhere else in the United States, I'm partnered with a lot of realtors, so I can help you in those areas also. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.